Could you like for the first question, could you just summarize what your like research entails, kind of what it's all about?
I study exoplanets, which are planets that go around other stars in our galaxy.
My name is Hannah Cooper, and I am the Public Engagement Officer for Astrobiology OU.
My role at the OU is a technician. I make sure that all the labs are in good running condition.
My name's Louise Thomas. I'm the Senior Manager or Unit Manager, depending on which day of the week it is, for Astrobiology OU.
I look at star and planet formation.
And I am studying extragalactic jets, which are basically huge great outflows from black holes in galaxies.
I'm working on extracting water from the moon.
What do you do on a day-to-day basis? Like, what is your research all about?
My work focuses on icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn that probably have oceans under their surface. And what I'm interested in is how material from those oceans gets transferred onto the surface where we can study it with spacecraft.
So my PhD is a project that involves geologically mapping Mercury. So my area that I'm mapping is Mercury's south pole.
In fact, with the Olympics currently on, one of the projects we have is to look for people who are cheating in the Olympics. So we can take a urine sample and look for the anabolic steroids that people use to grow muscles.
I study populations of triple stars and how they can mimic, in certain situations, planetary transits.
So right now I'm cleaning some syringes.
Sometimes I'll use an observatory. So we have some telescopes in Tenerife, which I can use to study planets.
So yeah, I have different types of days. Some days I have interview days, some days I have writing days, some days I have just reading days where I just do kind of reading all day long.
So I plan all of our events, I run our social media accounts, manage our websites, generally trying to get people to explain what they do to the wider world.
What we don't want to do is contaminate other places. So I'm actually looking at samples from clean rooms in the hope that we don't, when we're building these machines to go into space, that we don't take our contamination with us. So that's what these samples are from a clean room. So we're just working out basically how we can make sure we don't go and put all our rubbish on other planets or in other places.